Just got these MengTiger replacement parts delivered for my Tikom vacuum. Just looking for a good set of basically everything. So I'll crack it open and show you everything that you get. So you get, what is it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these little replacement brushes to replace this guy right here. Got 4 different filters right here. We've got some bags for inside of the unit right here, some collection bags, some dust bags. Excited for these. You can see my mop piece gets super dirty, super worn out. Be nice to replace it with some fresh new ones. Got so 4 total of these dust collection bags right here. So you get a lot of all the replacement parts. You get a lot of them, 4 or 5 of each one so far. Awesome, those pads. And then last thing that you get right here, this is the only thing you get one of, is that replacement brush right there. And I definitely need to replace mine. Mine's pretty old and gross, but there's a nice replacement brush to go with it. So there's everything you get. Nice kit. Excited to have it all and use it all.